Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Home app. To uninstall the Google Home app, begin by locating the app on your device. On an Android device, find the app in your app drawer. Press and hold the Google Home app icon. Select Uninstall from the options that appear. Confirm the action by tapping OK. If you're using an iOS device, locate the app on your home screen. Press and hold the Google Home app icon until it starts to jiggle. Tap the small X that appears in the corner of the icon. Confirm that you want to delete the app by choosing Delete from the prompt. After uninstalling the app, it's important to remove any connected smart devices. Open the Google Home app again if you're using another device or account. Select the device you want to remove from the home screen. Tap the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Scroll to the bottom and find the option labeled Remove Device. Confirm your decision to remove the device. Repeat this process for each smart device you want to disconnect. To ensure all devices are unlinked, visit the Google Home app settings. Look for the Linked Services section. Review all services and unlink any that are still connected. Once you've removed your devices, it's a good idea to clear any cached data. Go to your device settings, then select Apps. Find the Google Home app in the list and tap on it. Choose Storage, then select Clear Cache to remove residual data. Finally, perform a restart of your device to complete the process. You've now successfully uninstalled the Google Home app, and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.